In this video, I'll demonstrate how we can manage user and roles. Once you start using WinkSell, you need to add your staff member into the system so that each one of them can log in to manage their work. For example, a branch manager or a salesperson or an accountant, you can set up their accounts and passwords with which they can access the system. To do that, once you are in the admin panel, click on the Users button here, and then click on Add New User here. This will open a form we need to fill in all the required information and save it, and the user will be added. Enter the first name, then the last name, then username, then email, and then the password. This email and the password are the two things that you will provide to your staff member with which they can log in to the system. Next is the control option called Authorization. Authorization, if marked Yes, implies that this user can only log in if the authorizer provides the OTP. In the next field, we need to select who the authorizer will be, the license holder or the branch manager. Once the authorizer is selected, we need to give the system authorization period, which is the period for which this user will be validated, and on the expiry of this period, the user once again will have to get the OTP from the authorizer. After filling in all the info, I'll save it, and this user will get added into the system. By clicking on the Edit button here, you can update any info. Now, I'll move to the User assignment and we'll set up a role for this user. Here on the top blue area, all the user roles, and on the left side area, all the branches of your business are listed. Select the user from the search bar, and now we can assign any rule to this user against any branch. And I have assigned the manager role to Logico and the accountant role against branch Alpha. Now I'll click on the Update button here, and the user assignment will be saved. I hope now you will be able to manage the user and roles easily. Thanks for watching, and to learn about other interfaces, please watch our other videos.